What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back again to my trading channel. Now, this is the first video of the year, so I want to say Happy New Year to all of you guys, and I hope you had a great holiday. Now, let's get back to making money. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a simple trading strategy that's going to help you grow your trading account. As you can see right now, I made close to $200 using this strategy in one single trade, and I wasn't even using that much capital. And I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step process on how I came about these trades. And there are so many other trades that you can actually get while it's using this strategy. So this strategy is very good, especially for beginners that are just trying out and starting out on trading. It's going to help you understand how to place trade and how to grow an account. It's not that complicated. That's why I say it's a simple trading strategy, but it's not easy as you guys know. So let's jump straight into the strategy and see exactly how you can use it to make some profit. Okay guys, so I've just opened my MT5 account and we are ready to start installing all the indicators that we're going to need that are going to formulate this strategy. So I'm going to pick a chart that we're going to start by analyzing, and I'm going to show you how you install the strategy on that chart and how you find trades as well. So right now I'm going to pick Boom 500. As you guys know, it's one of my favorite indices to trade, and right now we are on the 15-minute time frame, which is the time frame that we are going to be using when using this strategy. Okay, so the first indicator that we have to install, I'm going to go to my indicators section, click on main window, then I'm going to choose on moving average. Now this moving average is going to have the following properties. Going to have a period right here of 14, so I'm going to quickly change that one to 14. We're going to have a shift of 0. The method will be exponential, apply to, close, and we're not going to have any levels on this indicator. And then on visualization, that is our time frames, allow this indicator to appear on all the time frames. Okay, although we are just going to be using the 15-minute time frame mostly. Okay, and then in your style, I'm going to change the color to a green color. Okay, please try and follow the same colors that I'm using, and then you can later on customize once you understand the strategy. Okay, then we're going to click on done, and as you can see, we now have that green moving average running across our chart. Okay, next we're going to need another indicator on our main window. So I'm going to click on main window, and then we're going to click moving average once again. And this time around, we're going to have a moving average with the following properties. The period is going to change from 14. I'm going to change it to 50. The shift will remain as 0. The method will remain as exponential. Apply to close. And again, there are no levels on this indicator. And again, on visualization, allow it to appear on all the time frames. Now, right here on the style, of course, we need to change this so that we can differentiate between the moving averages that we have. So I'm going to click the red color and click done. And once again, please try and follow the same colors up until you understand the strategy. That's when you can customize to your own colors. Okay, so now we're done with our main chart. Let's go to the next stage, which is going to be the indicator window 1. That is going to help us with confirmations on trades that we want to enter using this strategy. So going to my indicator section, I'm going to go to main window again, but this time around we're going to click on this indicator called the stochastic oscillator, and it is going to have the following properties that you actually see appearing on the screen right now. So we're going to have a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, a price field of low over high, a method of simple, and this time around we actually have some levels. So let's take a look at the levels that we have. We've got these two important levels, level 20 and level 80. That's all you need. And our level 20, we have labeled it as a buy zone, and our level 80, we labeled it as a sell zone. And then once you're done, you simply click on done. And again, on visualization or time frames. Now you have to take note of this part very closely. That is your styling for this indicator in particular. Your main and your signal should have the same color as your background color on your chart. So make sure that you have your background color on your main and on your signal. My color is white. That's why you see they are all white like that. And then once you're done, you simply click on done. And what you will see appearing on your screen is basically this new indicator window that's down here. Okay. And you can see our buy zone, which is our level 20, and you can see our sell zone, which is our level 80 to 100. Okay. And there's nothing else inside. Last but not least, let's install our final indicator that is going to help us confirm trades. So going back again to indicators, this time around we'll click where it says indicator window 1. Okay. And we're going to choose moving average. And this time around, we're going to have the following properties. The period right here is going to change to 10. Everything else remains the same. The shift will be 0. The method will be exponential. Apply to close. No levels on this one. And all time frames under our visualization section. What we will simply change is the style, of course, that is the color of the indicator. And we're going to choose this black color and click done. And as you can see, we now have that black line running across our charts under our indicator window 1. Now, once you have done all this in the correct order, you'll be ready to start using the strategy. So let's get into how exactly you find trades with this strategy. Now, this strategy can help you actually grow your account. As you can see, we will hold trades for long and get so much profit out of them. So let's dive straight into it. Like I said, we're going to be using the 15-minute time frame. Okay, we're going to be using the 15-minute time frame on this strategy. So right now, I'm going to show you an example of a trade that has already matured and that already gave us a trade, and that was a sell trade on Boom 500. Okay, and these are the 3 conditions that were supposed to be met for you to enter a sell trade on Boom 500. The first thing that you want to see on your chart is you want to see this black line in your sell zone. That if you want to enter a sell trade, make sure that this black line is in your sell zone in your 15-minute time frame. Okay, this was the first condition. Now, the second condition is you want to have your price breaking and crossing to go below your green line. So whenever you see that price is breaking and going below your green line, you already know that there is a potential sell trade. As you can see, when we were buying, price was only above our green line right there, and it would barely cross and go below the green line. But now you can see that price is falling and going below the green line. And once that condition is met, the final condition that you're going to need is you want to have your green line to cross and go below your red line for the last time. Okay, so right here you can see that the crossover happened right there and there. And what do you notice? From there, price pushed all the way down, all the way down. So just these 3 concepts, these 3 points, if you follow them correctly, you can find very beautiful sell trades, even on boom or on crash. Okay, let's look at another example right here. We have our black line in our sell zone. We have price crossing going below our green line, and we finally had the green line crossing to go below the red line. And as you can see, from there on, we went straight down. Now I'm going to show you guys how you're going to put your take profit, how you're going to put your stop loss, and how you're going to make sure you benefit out of this trade. Okay, let's take a look on the previous trade. what you would have simply done. Okay, so you have identified all your 3 points, right? Which means you were supposed to enter around this zone. So what you simply do is to grow your account, you have to use the smallest lot size. And let me show you how much it paid off to use the smallest lot size, because you're going to hold this trade for long. You want to hold this trade from this sell zone to the next buy zone. Okay, so it's going to be a very long trade. So just with 0.02, let's assume that you managed to catch this trade right where, right here. Okay, that's the average entry point, of course, right? That's the average entry point that you would have. Okay, a sell. Now let's look at the current take profit. Can you see, guys? The current profit right now using the current market price, if you had ended with 0.2 lot size, that is the lowest lot size that you find on Boom, the current profit is right here as $36 right there. Can you see that? Actually came down to around 40, but right now we've got a retracement and it's at $36 from a 0.2 lot size. Now let's look at the risk. How much are you going to be risking? The stop loss. Let me show you where I would place my stop loss. So if I'm trading, I want to place my stop loss on the last high that was created when just before when we entered or when we got that sell trade. So the position that I'm talking about is right here. Okay, and our TP is right there. But this is not even yet TP, because remember, you want to hold until the black line reaches the buy zone. Okay, so just look at this trade, guys. Currently, it's on the lowest lot size. It will be $36 profit. And look at your risk. You would have, the last peak is right here, and look at how much you would have risked. Just $11.50 if that trade had gone sideways, and you have already gained 3 times that. Now with that kind of risk reward ratio, you only need 3 trades out of every 10 trades that you take to be profitable. Okay, only 3. So you need to have like a 30% win rate, and even if you lose the remaining 7 trades, you still be profitable. We're going to have a part 2 on this strategy, breaking it down more. Tell me, guys, if you'd like to know more about this strategy in the comment section. Okay, let's take a look at if you were selling while it's actually catching some spikes. Okay, let's look at if you were selling while it's actually catching some spikes. Right here we have another trade with the black line in our sell zone, with candlesticks crossing and going below our green line, showing us that there is a potential sell, like I said. And we finally had the crossover of the green line going below the red line right there. Okay, and let's see. So it would have ended right there, and somewhere there would be your profit. Can you see? Let me repeat. Your stop loss will be on the last high. Your take profit will be somewhere here. So in total, with this trade, you'd be risking around $9 to get $18, basically 17.80. So that's $18 right there. So that's a 1:2 risk reward ratio. I'm just showing you how powerful this strategy is. I'm just showing you how powerful this strategy is. And you can do both spike catching and scalping. Okay, you can do both spike catching and scalping. Let's take a look at buy trades that you can actually enter. Okay, let's take a look at buy trades that you can actually enter. Okay, we had a nice buy trade right here. Actually posted this trade in our VIP signals group. So those that are in my VIP should actually remember this trade. I don't know if they can remember this trade, but simply we had our black line in our buy zone right there. Okay, that is the 20 level. And then we started to have price crossing to be above our green line. And then finally, we had our green line this time around crossing to be above the red line because we want to buy, remember. And can you see what happened? Price did shoot all the way up. So if you are a beginner and you're using this strategy, you want to get on your lowest or on your smallest lot size, you want to put your stop loss on the previous high that was created or previous low that was created, and you want to wait for the black line to reach the opposite side. So if you are in a sell trade, you want to wait for the black line to move from the sell zone to the buy zone. And if you are in a buy trade, you want to wait for the black line to move from the buy zone to the sell zone. But in between, you already see that you have gained so much and you can protect your capital and do all the other necessary risk management measures. So tell me, guys, what you think about this strategy in the comment section. And remember, we have opened a new channel. We have opened a new WhatsApp group for currencies where I'll be sharing signals daily in that group. And currently it's for free. You can join it for free right now. And all you have to do is to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. And then you send me a link to my WhatsApp number. You'll be able to find my number in our free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. So it's completely free to join. Hurry up right now. Subscribe, like, comment, and then send me a screenshot to my WhatsApp number so that I can add you to the group where we'll be discussing and trading currencies in this new year. Remember, we want to take advantage of the prop firms, and we also want to accommodate those that are trading currencies. I've got a lot of currencies strategies that I'm going to be sharing right here on this platform. So feel free to join the group. Remember, I said my WhatsApp number is available in our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. All you have to do is to click the link and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel. Tell me, guys, if you want a part 2 on this strategy, and we can even discuss more about it and make some profits. But you can literally make a fortune while it's risking so little, even with a zero point 0.2 account. I think on my next video, I'm going to come with an account and we're going to grow it together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Until next time.